Guys, we are stuck in a IKEA place, and there's these guys. I don't know why, but all their names are 3008. Right? Are you scared? Let's start building a base.
Why do we have to do in the store? What do we have to do in the store? And their faces are all over here. Look.
Yeah, but do you think they're not
doing
real?
it.
Quick.
Look for a place. Wait.
Someone check something.
Okay, he left.
Sorry, that was my friend. He joined for some reason. Anyways, okay, let's find the perfect spot. This will be our spot. I should know this place. It's cute.
Wait,
And there's some boards over here, so I'm gonna grab them. Oh, your screen's not working. Don't worry, guys. It's fine.
Your friend's playing by himself. Different game by himself. The same game. Or are you?
Here, just try to find me.
But I can't. I'm not.
Sorry, guys. We are going through issues right now.
Yeah. Let me bring this med kit I found.
By the way, I found some food. Never mind, actually, I didn't find food yet. I forgot, I didn't find food yet. By the way, in this game, you have to actually find food. I found a crowbar. I found a weapon. I found a weapon.
Mama, could you please help me find you?
Okay.
Like, I've been running. I don't want it to get night.
Oh, not you're coming. Come. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. We're going to technical issues right now.
Not
I found a crowbar. I can use it. Stop.
Can you whistle, Mama?
Sorry. Guys, it's not letting me do this. I don't know why.
You're still over here.
Wait, I see you. Hannah. I'm trying to get this thing. It's not letting me. Okay, let's just start with the base. Sorry. Guys, sorry about that. It's not letting me get something that I want. But...
These med kits.
Yeah, I saw them.
We still need to get all the med kits going.
I'm about to be done with the house already.
No, if we die,
I need food. We need food.
Where's the house? Oh, it's found.
Oh, I thought that was the employee.
Okay, let me put the med kits down. Where did I put them?
Why can't I get this weapon? Nope. Guys, help. You can sneak behind the employees. We need bunk beds. Those are the hideouts. We don't have bunk beds.
Wait, remember what happened last time?
Yeah, but we still need it just for emergencies.
Someone.
See here?
I'm not going out. I'm scared.
Stop being a scaredy cat. It's not a blood night.
I know the blood night last time was scary.
No, it's not.
Scary.
I found a ladder just in
You know how many guys were out there?
Oh yeah, they spawn easily on blood nights. Anyways, let's just start doing this. I don't care if
Okay,
you're
I'm just
scared.
gonna bring a light in our house.
We already have green lights.
No, like light. Just light. Not green light.
Yeah, but we have green lights.
Where? Oh. Wait. Okay, now I'm not scared.
Now come on, just come with me. We just need a back part. Guys, we need food too. Nah, you forgot to grab food. I see a food place. Okay, I'm gonna go grab that, but we need to first work on our house. Guys, I'm a little
Well,
scared.
food's important.
Yeah, but the house is for us to survive.
Yeah, surviving is important.
And I'm done.
Come on, surviving. It means you have to get food too, you know.
What the?
What?
I just jumped and oh my god. Do you have a med kit?
Why?
I literally jumped and I forgot that somehow I just jumped super high and it made me go up, and you can fall if you fall up things, you can die. So
You got the med kits.
sorry about that, guys.
I got the med kits on my way here. Use it.
It's not letting me. I don't. Guys, we need food. I forgot to grab it.
Hold to heal.
Yeah, it's not saying hold to heal. Sorry about that.
Here. Okay, put all the med kits and all of the food here.
Yeah, but I need this.
I know.
Let me just try one more time.
Let me. Ugh.
Sorry, this is not working. Now I'm just holding a med kit. Do you see me holding a med kit?
Yes.
I thought that was the employee.
That was that. His name says the store is not. The
Yeah.
store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Yeah, that's an employee.
I just knocked down the light. Wow. I put it on the table. Light table. Okay, it's not working. Why do you put it on my head?
Oops.
You put it on my head in it.
It's on your head still.
Baby shark.
It's on your head still. I'm kidding.
Baby shark, do, 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 do.
Guys, I'm not letting me heal myself. I'm so sorry about that.
Who cares? You can just eat and then
Well,
let the rain feel.
okay, let's get out now. Now we're all going together. Can you just get out?
No. Just jump. Jump on.
Let me see if I could see in the employees. Do you think the coast is clear?
Yes. You get the light. Right behind you. Oh. Okay, you got it. Come to this side.
That thing makes you. I oofed. I oofed, guys.
Someone just did a ooh.
Guys, I don't know where the house is. I don't know where the house is. I'm coming.
Run, Bowen, do the run.
Wait, I found food.
Mama, hurry up. You're gonna die.
Oh, I see the house. I spawned so close. Sorry, guys. Yeah. I didn't know I spawned close.
You just ooh.
How do I? Can I?
They'll come from the back. You just ooh from that.
Okay, it's morning. This is the second night.
Tuesday. So Mom, we're gonna keep the door out when it's like morning, okay?
Guys,
We're gonna do it like this so we can still go in the house.
wait, because this. Wait, I was gonna see if the door works. This doesn't work. Look at what I found. I don't know what this is.
Oh no, you cannot pick up plants. Oh, this would be the best house. Like there's so many best houses. But I found something.
What?
A mirror. Let's see.
Guys, we're gonna try to make our house pretty now because we're done with it. So, wait, this is a perfect TV. I'm gonna bring it. Have a flat screen TV.
Can I bring a couch, like a small couch?
Yeah.
Here's my small couch. I just want to say, would the couch fit? I mean, would the TV fit?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Oh no, what I do? I did something wrong.
What'd I do?
How many minutes have we been in the video?
Like 10 minutes. We have 6 more minutes. Yeah, this works. No, not really. You put it in the corner and then face it. Yeah, this is good. It's good, right, guys? In the comments, rate our house so far. It's like...
But if you don't say comments, you're gonna be sad. No one ever said comments to us.
Yeah, I don't know why. Are you guys just shy, or is it just because I'm a kid and make videos? Or am I cringe? I think I am. I don't know. I don't know.
You just did something cringe right
How did I do something cringe, though? Oh my god, guys, we need to bring the little penguin. I found... There's 2 penguins. And wait, I found a hideout shelter, too. I'm going to put that in. But first, we need a penguin and a shark.
now. I just found the best art ever.
I found a penguin and a shark. Now come to me. I know what I'm gonna put on the chair.
A penguin.
Penguin party, penguin party.
Where's the shark?
It's here. Wait. Let me place
Where's
this
the
guy.
shark?
It's in the house that I got the penguin from.
Where? What house?
The house.
Which house?
I'll show you. The green and purple lights.
Okay, I see it.
I'm
See
gonna
it.
grab one more penguin.
Where's the shark? Oh, the shark's right here. Hey, brought the shark.
We need another penguin. Guys, we need another penguin.
To bring back.
Like for another penguin.
Like for 10 more sharks.
If or I'll
Like for another video.
yeah. If we get at least 10 likes, I want a big like. But if we get at least 10 likes or at least 1 like, not from my sister or anybody else. What happened to my screen? I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna move it.
Okay, when we're done making the house, guys, we're going to end the video.
Can you put, my
it looks
screen
like
is not working.
Looks like we're already done with the house.
So I think, yeah, and we're, yeah, let's end the video here.
Okay, so bye, guys.
Yeah, we will see you next time. So bye.
Yeah, or tomorrow.
Actually, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. So bye.
Bye.